Abdali Grammar School. Social Studies. Lesson Citizenship. Chapter number 8, People and Work. Lecture number 11. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Here I come with the new topic. Our today's topic is fertilizers, chemicals and cement. Fertilizers are chemical, and these fertilizers are used in agriculture. My dear students, are you getting my point? Now tell me, where do we use fertilizers? Where do we use fertilizers? Fertilizers are used in agriculture. Fertilizers are used in agriculture. Fertilizers industry in Pakistan. Fertilizers are produced in Faisalabad, Daud Khel and Janawala. Fertilizers are produced in Faisalabad, Daud Khel and Janawala. My dear students, now it's your turn. Tell me, where do fertilizers are produced in Pakistan? Where do fertilizers are produced in Pakistan? What will be your answer? Yes, fertilizers are produced in Faisalabad, Daud Khel and Janawala. Let's move toward the next slide, that is about chemicals. Chemicals are needed to make soap, paper, textile and other goods. We have number of chemical factories. My dear students, do you remember why do we use chemicals? I repeat my question. Where do we use chemicals? Yes, I can. Chemicals are needed to make soap, paper, textile and other goods. We have a number of chemical factories. Can you repeat for me once again? Yes, chemicals are needed to make soap, paper, textile and other goods. We have a number of chemical factories. Cement. Cement is produced in several factories in the country. Yes, apart from fertilizer factories and chemical factories, we also produce cement in several factories. Cement is produced in several factories in the country. My dear students, this is a question time. My dear students, where do you think cement is produced? Where do you think cement is produced? Cement is produced in several factories in the country. Biggest industry. The biggest industry is that of cotton products like fabric, blankets and bedding. The biggest industry is that of cotton products. Students, fabric, cloth, bedding and textile, they are also made up of cotton. So biggest industry is that of cotton industry. After watching this slide, my dear students, are you able to tell me that which is the biggest industry in Pakistan? The biggest industry is that of cotton products. Cotton products include fabric, bedding and blankets. Textile industry also include yarn, canvas, textile and clothing, toweling and many more other things. Yarn, canvas, clothing and textile, and toweling. My dear students, now can you tell me which things we can make with the help of cotton? Which things we can make with the help of cotton? Yes, it's very easy. We can make yarn, canvas, toweling, textile, clothing, and many more other things. Yarn is used to make woolen goods. There are over 70 factories that produce woolen goods like sweaters, scarves, gloves, and socks. There are over 70 factories that produce woolen goods. Can you remember the number of factories that produce woolen goods? Can you remember the number of factories that produce woolen goods in Pakistan? Yes, there are over 70 factories that produce woolen goods. There are about 70 factories that produce woolen goods like sweaters, scarves, gloves, and socks. Art silk industry. In Pakistan, we also have a large art silk industry. We also have a large art silk industry. So my dear students, can you remember, do we have art silk industry in our country? Do we have art silk industry in our country? Yes, we also have a large art silk industry. Biggest industry in Pakistan is that of cotton products, yarn, textile, canvas, toweling, and clothing. There are over 70 factories that produce woolen goods, and we also have art silk industry in our country. Other industries. Pakistan produces sugar, vegetable ghee, cooking oil, and soaps. Pakistan produces sugar, vegetable ghee, cooking oil, and soaps. My dear students, can you tell me, apart from textile and fertilizer industry, what type of goods are produced in other industries? Pakistan produces sugar, vegetable ghee, cooking oil, and soap. Pakistan produces sugar, vegetable ghee, cooking oil, and soaps. I have told you about a very few things that are made in other industries. Let's talk about cottage industries. Cottage industries are usually small industries. There are many small industries called cottage industries. Cottage industries include handicraft, pottery, stitching and tailoring, and many more other things. Now hurry up students, can any one of you tell me what is cottage industry? What is cottage industry? Yes, there are so many small industries, and these small industries are called cottage industries. Cottage industries are small industries. Goods that are produced in cottage industry are sports goods, furniture, handicraft, utensils, embroidery, pottery, footwear, carpets, and clothes. My dear students, I am going to ask you a question. Just listen to me carefully. Tell me, what type of goods are produced in cottage industry? Yes, goods that are produced in these small units include sport goods, furniture, handicrafts, utensils, embroidery, pottery, footwear, carpets, and clothes. These are goods that are made in small industries. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.